My name is Samuel Adesola, and this is my academic engagement dashboard. The opening to the dashboard is a simple summary statistics that shows the total number of students, in this case where we have 200, total number of courses which are 10, total number of students that have completed their courses which are 141, and total number of students that have in progress courses which are 59. So the first chart I have in my dashboard is the course completion rate that shows the course completion rate across all the courses, and also we have the summary of course engagement and student performance in quiz and assignment scores. If we go down here, we have a simple filter that I can choose to limit what I'm seeing on the course completion rate. I can click on this and choose to limit the number of courses that I want to see. I can uncheck these courses. For example, I just want to see student performance for innovative information management. I can uncheck every other thing and leave the course that I want to view checked and click OK. So once I do this, I'm only seeing the course completion rate for innovative information management, which are 55 completed courses completion rate and then 44.44 in progress percent. So I can choose to view multiple courses. I can choose for this, and I can also choose for effective IT governance. So I'm only seeing 3 courses that I want to see. So scrolling down, checking the correlation between the total score of students and then the time spent on course material. Here you can see that there's little or no correlation between the time spent on course material and total score, as it is not evenly distributed. We also have the total score versus the forum participation. The same way we can see here that there's no or little correlation between the forum participation and total score. Here I have a simple statistic here that runs the Spearman rank correlation coefficient between the forum participation and academic performance, and you can see here that the score is 0.085, which is very close, which is very far from 1, which means that there's little or no correlation between the academic performance and the forum participation. So for us to be able to see how each of the courses and each of the parameters are distributed, I created some histogram to show the distribution across different parameters. Here we have the distribution of quiz scores. We can see that most of the students got between 96 and 100 quiz scores. Also, we also see for distribution assignment, most of the students scored between 89.29 and 93.21. Also, we have the same thing for forum likes. We have similar thing for distribution of forum posts and also distribution of forum replies. So lastly, I have a chart here that shows the top 5 performing courses. From here, we can see that the innovative information management is the highest performing score when it comes to the terms of total score of students, followed by cybersecurity and network management, followed by efficient data and systems optimization. And we see that the least 5 performance score is cutting edge software development based on the total score of students. So that's a quick summary of how the chart works and how the dashboard work. So here we have the sum of assignment scores and the sum of quiz score. This generally shows the student performance in the quiz and assignment score, so across different courses. Here we can see that for advanced technology integration, we see that 1,170 students, 1,117 scores is what students have for assignment scores, and 1,985 is what students have for quiz score. So it can be clearly seen here that the quiz scores, the students score more in the quizzes for advanced technology integration than in the assignment score. So the same thing similar for all of the courses, which are 10 in number. So if you can look at for data transformation strategy, you can say that 1,028 students, 1,028 total score for assignment and 1,033 for the quiz. Here we can also see here that most students perform better in the quiz than in the assignment for the course digital transformation strategies. So that's how the dashboard work. Here we have the filter that we can use to filter based on the courses that we want. We can add more, we can reduce based on the courses, and here shows the correlation between each of the courses, each of the parameters that we have, which are total time spent on the course material and the total score of students, also the forum participation and the total score. So thank you very much.